Welcome to our channel, Mathematicians.
Assalamu alaikum students. So we are here with the second part of polynomials in algebra. So we are multiplying the first expression with the whole second expression. A will be multiplied with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Plus b will be multiplied with a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Plus c will be multiplied with this whole expression. So a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Now we'll just simply multiply. So here a has a power of 1. So 1 plus 2 power will be 3. So I'm just writing here like this because I want to go step by step. And plus a b square because there is nothing in common. The variable is not common. So we'll not add the powers. We'll just write ab square plus a c square and minus. Why minus is coming over here? Because here is plus. When there is no sign, it means that here is plus. So plus minus will be minus. A will be multiplied with AB, so it will come A 1 plus 1 and B will come as it is. Then again minus because here is plus, plus minus is minus. So ABC and minus A will be multiplied with CA, so it will come A 1 plus 1 because here is power of 1 and here is also power of 1. So we'll just add the powers 1 plus 1 and C will come as it is. Then we will solve this one. So b square plus b will be multiplied with b square, so it will be 1 plus 2 and sorry, here is a plus because plus plus is plus, and then again plus b will be multiplied with c square, so it will be c square. Then minus we will put over here because plus minus is minus. A b 1 plus 1. Then we are having b multiplied with bc, so minus b 1 plus 1 c. Then we will again put minus over here and b will be multiplied with CA. So it will come ABC. Now we are solving this one expression plus CA square plus CB square plus C1 power and plus 2 minus. Now again minus because plus minus is minus. ABC. AB is multiplied with C, so it will come ABC minus plus minus is minus. So BC square and CA will be multiplied with C, so it will come C1 plus 1 and A. Then 1 plus 2 is 3 plus AB square plus AC square minus A square B minus ABC minus A square C plus BA square plus B cube plus BC square minus AB square minus B square C minus ABC. Then we are having plus CA square plus CB square plus C cube minus ABC minus BC square minus C square A. Now we can see that here with the terms, we can see the same terms. With the one term with a plus sign and the other one will be in the minus sign. So here A cube doesn't have the pair of A cube again. A cube is coming only one time. Now we are having AB square. So AB square is coming again. Plus AB square and minus AB square. So we can just cut them down. And AC square. Then we have AC square. So AC square is coming. AC square. Look, here it is coming that A and C square A. So C square and C square and A. So it can just be cancelled. Now we are having A square B. So A square B is coming. A square B here. This one is A square B. A square and B. So we can just cancel it out. Then we are having minus ABC and minus ABC. There is no term which is in the plus sign, so we can just cancel them out. So we can just, we will put this term as it is over here and solve it later. Then shift to the next term, A square C minus A square C. So A square C is coming, A square C here. So A square and C alone. So this can also be cancelled because here is it is with the minus and here it is with the plus. So plus minus will be cancelled. Now B cube doesn't have another term of B cube. We are not having another term of B cube. So we can just shift to another term BC square. So it is with the plus sign BC square. Search BC square over here. So here it is BC square with the minus sign. So it will be cancelled with the plus term of BC square. Then we can see minus B square C. Minus B square C will be cancelled with the, look, here it is B square, C and C. We'll just cancel them out. Now what is remaining? Now we can just write the remaining terms over here. A cube minus ABC and plus B cube and minus ABC plus C cube minus ABC. So look, here we are having minus ABC and minus ABC. So what we will do, we are going to add these terms together. Means that minus means that 1, 2 and 3. So it will come minus 3ABC because minus minus is plus. So we can just write A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. And minus sign will come because we are adding these. But minus sum is come because there is minus sum with these terms. So we will just write minus over here. So this is our answer of this question. I hope you understand and get an idea that how we can solve this type of questions.
Like, share and comment and hit the bell icon to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.